In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two columns in Pandadoc. Let's get started right inside the Pandadoc editor. Once you have your document open, look toward the top of the page for the plus icon. This is your main way to add new content to the document. Go ahead and click that plus icon, which is also labeled Add Content. Think of this as opening a toolbox for building out your document. After you click it, you'll see a panel of different content blocks you can insert into the page. These usually include options like text, images, videos, tables, and more. Each of these blocks lets you structure your document in a different way. Since we're focused on creating columns, the specific block we want to use is the table. Now click the plus icon associated with adding a new block and choose the table option from the list. Pandadoc will insert a table directly into your document at the location of your cursor. This table is what we're going to use to create a two-column layout. By default, as soon as you add the table, Pandadoc will automatically create it with two columns. This is perfect if your goal is simply to have a clean two-column section, for example, to compare information side by side, organize pricing details, or display content in a more compact format. You can start typing directly into each cell to add your content. If you need to adjust the width of each column, you can usually hover over the border between them and drag to resize, giving you more room where you need it. If you decide you want more than two columns, you don't need to delete the table and start over. Instead, look for the table toolbar that appears when the table is selected. In that toolbar, you'll see an option to add more columns. Simply click the Add button there, and Pandadoc will insert an additional column into your existing table. You can repeat this as needed until your table has the structure you want. Using tables in this way is a simple and effective method to control your layout in Pandadoc. Start by adding content, choose the table block, let it create your two default columns, and then customize from there using the toolbar if you need.